How to fix Netflix not working on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go at it to quick and easy if Netflix isn't working on your Android device. Well, there are certain steps that you can try. The first is to clear the cache of the application itself. Head over to your settings on your device. Once under settings, scroll down and head over to apps. Under apps, you should be able to get the list of applications installed on your device. Scroll down and proceed to find Netflix under N. And once you have it here, you should find the storage option. Tap on it and tap on clear cache. Now you can also tap on clear data if it doesn't help, but remember that this will remove all your saved accounts and passwords from your application. So if you have access back into your account, if you can have access back into your account and you can log in back again, then only you would want to do this. The other fix is you want to check your internet connection that it is secure and it is working, and also reinstall the app or update the app if necessary. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.